We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today in this video I am going to show you how to change your toner cartridge on an HP LaserJet M234sdwe. So the first step, you want to go ahead and open your front hatch. Then you want to go ahead and pull your toner cartridge out. I always like to set my toner to the side away from my new one so I don't get them mixed up. So set it to the side, unbox your new one. You'll have to pull some wrapping off and all that. And then what you want to do when you have the new toner, you want to follow the guides here. Stick it in. It doesn't necessarily like click, but you'll know when it's locked into place. And then shut this hatch. Your printer will then initialize. Do make note that this printer will only take HP. You cannot use a compatible, a refill. It is strictly locked down to HP only. So thanks for watching our video today and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.